Yakni benta jongga kubor la wanraj pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Menteri Nongtrei Tnad Marbam nani Food and Civil Supplies jongga zakar jalla ujiam spike sangma RiKhasi baar khan lotarik ujeliu ulale banjungo yak office jongga Directorate of Food and Civil Supplies kabadan po loshmia. Kadi kasin kaban kong manakalang jong menteri ude banyu kajat akate ka office. Aba ajing kran hakani ka jelang hakabada dalang ki officer jongka ni katnan ujiam sulong ba ka mekhlaya kala thau ya ka history haka re India makadai tang maka ka jela ka blala ban kit yo kharushan shispa na ka shispa haka ju ka por ule thuru ba khandai percent ni khandai percent na ka shispa lala ban pen po yo khaw shaki pan ba.
The kind of late hours everyone worked, the kind of dedication that all of you put in, and we can see the results today. It's not something that cannot be measured in a tangible manner. We have the results, and people in all across the state have today acknowledged the fact that in terms of NFSA, in terms of the PMGKAY, there was maybe a few problems here and there, which is very well, it's understandable, but overall, no citizen of this state who were beneficiaries under these schemes felt any kind of inconvenience, and the credit goes to all of you. So I'm here to personally thank you. Maybe somebody may say it or not, but your minister acknowledges that fact, and your minister is really thankful to each and every one of you for all the efforts that you put in.
Hakani ka jingkran ujiam sul angru ba wada ke babun ke la ainam ki nurse ki doctor parkuide ki belong ki nongtrei ki bakhmat du hakbela persya ya ke jingpang covid kharkhandai ujiam sul penkan maru ba ki nongtrei jo kan katnat samarbam ki deiru ki betan bentah ki deiru ki betan ke bentah ke bakhmat hakaba hirap ya ki pait ba hakaba kom kan ka por ba ka jala kamal ya ke jingkhangdam.
Over the last 2 months, our office has been a beehive of frenzied activity, people coming in, going in. For the first few days, they didn't even have masks, I think for first 1 month. And then we sensed that there could be a fear of spread of the virus here, also the rate at which people were coming from outside. But irrespective of anything, sir, they have done their job very well. We have been supported marvelously well by all our senior officers from the Director Supply Office, Veronica, Mr. Roger, Mr. Shai, Madam Yarisa. Everybody has worked very hard.